because it's closing with a lower wick that's almost half the candle. So for me, I cannot take this trade. I cannot take this trade. So in order for me to take this trade, is I need for the candle to break this low right here, the lowest part of the candle, and close below it. That's the only way I can take this trade. So we're going to keep going until that happens. Next candle. So what happens? The next candle, as you can see right here, it breaks the low of the candle, the previous candle, but doesn't close below it. Doesn't close below it, and it's more than a 75% candle because the whole candle opened and closed outside of the orb. But I'm not going to take a trade where a majority of the candle, if I'm going short, the majority of the candle is lower wick. That's telling me that price is failing to accept these lower values right here. So now, in order for me to take this trade, now I needed to break the low of this candle right here. And let's wait to see if that happens. And it does. It actually does happen. It does happen. But look at what the profile is telling you. So for me, once again, I'm not taking a trade that has a crazy wick right here, man. I'm not taking that. Price is still finicky. So for me, once again, I needed to break price to close and break the low of this candle. And some people probably will be like, "Yo, what are you doing? You're tripping. You missed the whole move already." Yeah, if you wanted to enter here, and what's that? A nice like 6 points. If that's what you want, go ahead, go get it. But my goal is for 15 points. That's what I come in to get every morning. I try to get that, or 10 or 15 points. That's my main goal. So right now, if I'm looking at the profile, we have point of control just moved outside of the orb. If that could be looked at as a good sign, because point of control can be looked at as fair value. So you can say right now that fair value is being accepted lower as a lower price right now. It's outside of the orb below, and fair value is being accepted down here. But at the same time, I need, if I'm ever going short or ever going long, I need it to be out of the profile. So I need it to be below this value area low. And then once again, I'm not taking a trade on a wicked out candle. That's not me. That's not what I'm going to do. That's mean that price is not being accepted at that value right there. So I'm going to sit on my hands to see what happens. So next candle right there, what happens? Yes, it does come down and breaks that. Come on. It does come down and break the low of this candle, but what happens? It bounces back up. It bounces back up, and that's why you have to be patient. That's why you have to be patient, because if you would have entered on this candle right here, you would be in drawdown right now. That's why you have to be patient. Just be patient. So once again, I need price to break break all this wicked out area and close. Give me a solid close. Give me a solid close, and then I'll go short. Keep going. Boom. Price heading back up. What is price heading back up to? What price is telling me right now that it has failed. Price has failed to accept lower value right here.